So hello guys, this is Angel and you're watching Angel's Way of Adventure. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, like, and share. Today's video, I'm gonna share you a very good rod that replaced when you broke it. They replace it in the same brand and the same kind of brand. It is the HMG Fenwick travel rod. The company name is Fenwick. Here, it's Fenwick. This is a travel rod with two tip, the medium light and the medium tip. It has a two tip and it is a three-piece rod. I accidentally broke the medium light because when I'm fishing, I accidentally caught a very huge musky, and the musky caught into the wood under the water, and when I pull it and I force it, I broke the tip into three pieces, and I just tie it in here. And then luckily the Fenwick company gave me a new one. I just send them the receipt of my rod when I bought it on sale in the store, and I just email them on fenwick@purefishing.com. They will ask you the receipt, and you need to take a picture of the specs of the rod, and then the reason why you broke it, and then your address and phone number. You need to give it to them, and then after a few days they send me a new one for free, 0 cents. They will send you, they will pay for the delivery, and here it is. Let's unbox this. I hope it is the same. By the way, the rod has a traveling case with it. Here, it's HMG Fenwick. This is a Eagle. It's a very good brand. So let's unbox the new one. I just received a phone call, and then the FedEx told me that I have a parcel, and I didn't know that this is it. It's pretty nice. I didn't pay any cents for this one. Oh yes. Yes, see? HMG Fenwick. It's pretty much the same with the old one. This one, HMG Fenwick, thank you so much. Oh, pretty secure, eh? The packaging are nice. Let's see, it's pretty hard to remove the zip tie in here, but we'll see. Yeah, got him. Ta-da! Well, let's see the rod. Ooh. Oh, jeez. Pretty, yeah. See this? And the color is a little bit different, and the handle too from the original. This one is the original one. Actually, this one is original too, but this one is a replacement. But this one that I bought, it's a little bit heavier, and as you can see, the first one that I bought is a little bit thicker than the other one, the replacement, this one. And the color, the first one that I bought is black, and this one is brownish color. And the comparison with the handle, the old one is pretty heavy and the new one is lighter. I think the new one is better. See, it's pretty lighty. And power locks, pretty. And this is the new 2-tip. This one is the medium light and this one is medium. It's a 7-foot rod. See, pretty. This is the new one. You will never pay them. They will just send you a new one when you broke. Even though you can use this because there is another tip that is usable, it's not break. And this one you can just put a end ring in here and you can use it. But because of the warranty of the Fenwick, they will send you a new one without any cost. They will never ask you money for it. Even the delivery is free, and it takes only 3 days since that I send them an email. It's pretty nice, eh? And the new traveling case with it. See, I think this one is better than the old one because the old one, it's already been damaged. Yeah, it's broke. It's already broken. But this one and the support, now it is solid because the old one has a separator in here. Sometimes the upper part will go down, like this happened to this one. But this one is pretty new. I can fish all day with this. And it is a traveling rod. You can take it on the plane, on your motorbike, and everywhere. See, it's pretty small though. It's only about 3 feet or 2, 10, 20, 30, 32 feet, 32 inches long, this one. So I will put the link below on where you are going to email them when you have a Fenwick, but make sure that you have your receipt. And the validity, it will depend on the kind of rod, because some rod are 2 years warranty, but this one is 5 years warranty. I'm using it for 4 years, but because the warranty is within the 5 years warranty, they send me a new one for free. So guys, I hope you like it. This is the Eagle Fenwick traveling rod replacement, new one. Hope you like it. Thank you, and please subscribe to my channel. Have a good fishing, tight lines.